please.
You want to see? You want to see? No.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Not record that.
No, that's Daniel Smith. I know.
Would you record pulling the chair?
Yeah, oh my god. But you made it go towards my face. My face probably looks retarded.
Stop recording. Oh, I have messages.
Oh my god. That was so nice. It's trying to record me. Okay. You're gross. Okay, why am I friends with you?
If I'm not important in your life, why should I hang out with you? I was like, no, you're not a priority.
Get away.